This is Tish Times with your networking and sales scoop. Some information to help you sell with unstoppable confidence. I've been promising you in my last few videos that I was going to share a super simple tip to help you to get people to call you back when you make those follow-up calls. I have found with my clients, with myself, and just people that I've talked to in the marketplace, sometimes it's difficult to know what to say when you make that initial telephone call once you've met someone. And then even more importantly, it's like, how do I get them to call me back? Well, this is going to be so simple. And the thing is, we have to know that no one is going to sit and listen to a 3-minute, 5-minute, 8-minute recording when you leave a voicemail. And trust me, I have met people who have done that. So keep it very simple. And even if you don't see yourself as a salesperson, I don't care what your title is. I don't care if you find yourself, directly selling to someone. If you are in business for yourself, or if you are responsible for the bottom line of another organization in some way, shape, or form, guess what? You're in sales. So you have to know not only how to communicate, but how to keep those relationships building. And this is just one tip that'll help you to do that. So this is the thing. When you call someone, understand that all of us have a little bit of a selfish motive in us and want to be able to provide something for someone else. So in other words, if you call someone and you met someone at an event, you just connected with them and you're wanting to schedule that initial telephone call, maybe a coffee date, whatever it might be, do something that is as simple as this. Hi, Jim. This is Tish Times. We met last night at the chamber event, and I have a quick question for you. Could you give me a call? How simple is that? Because Jim probably is under the impression that I want to ask him about his services. He is more likely to call me back. Now, mind you, I want you to be prepared. Have some good questions ready. Be ready to gather information about what they do so you can be better poised to serve them with the solution you provide. So be ready, but just leave them that very simple message. I have found that people will call you back so much quicker when they think they can help you, because I think innately we want to help other people. And then there's that little selfish motive as well. So use it to your advantage and make those telephone calls. Don't be afraid to pick up the telephone and call, because you have to continue to build relationships in order to see your business grow. So this is Tish Times with your networking and sales scoop. Thank you so much for joining us on these videos, or joining me on this video. And please click the subscribe button and continue to hang out with me here. Over at Tish Times, you can get more information about how to sell with unstoppable confidence, more information about networking more effectively, and please hang out with us in the party room on our Facebook group, the Unstoppable Confidence Forum. There is information down in the description. Click the button and come and hang out. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.